Well, if you're watching me and holding this helmet, you know that this has probably got something to do with this Cybertruck. This right here is version 2 of our Razorback design that was wildly popular all over the internet, still selling every week for your Cybertruck. So what we did was we created the V2 version of the Razorback. And so that's what you're seeing right here, a brand new fresh take on the design with some of the old elements, but a little bit more detail work and just some brand new things that we got going on here. So we'll start off with the front end. The front end has a brand new design. It's got new custom designed vents that are printed into it, some grab handles, some of the old flavors on the design ideas there. It doesn't have the connector here anymore, so for installers it makes it a lot easier when they're placing this panel and this panel. The sidebar design still connects here with the lights, and then you have tow hooks, a winch design that's printed into it as well. And then we go on to the side of the vehicle, and it still has the same design principles for an installer installing. They just have to line up the black line here, same thing with here, and then as well as the bottom door lines for installing capabilities. In terms of the design, we've added some new design elements here. We've made the hop through portion right here a little bit more of a design element that has some like war-torn aspects to it. And if you could tell from looking at the truck, it's got a lot more patina, a little bit more war-torn things going on, which actually really help with the V2 version of this design. So you're gonna see a little bit of that paint fade here and there. These vents have a lot more 3D dimensions to them, more shadowing. They have some grating now installed into them, and there's some additional components of those vents here and down here. And then the same thing with the metal exposed bar down here.
La ciencia.
All right, so back here on the rear of the design, again, we have this portion connecting, so it all connects in there. You'll see some of the more hard angle design elements here and layers, which really match up with a lot of the hard angles that are in the rear bumper. Obviously some more slots and vents. And then again, the patina war-torn look on the rear as well. That's running throughout the whole thing. So it is a completely new take on the rear design as well. But it matches, it looks good, and it's, you know, a good alternative to the Razorback V1. On the sides, again, you have these portions that connect onto the rear from an installer point of view. And here you can see in a little bit of the shadows, a lot more patina and just effects that are pretty much going on in the vehicle as opposed to V1. So if you want a fresh new take on the Razorback, this is brand new, it's just hitting the market. And this is actually the first and the only one right now that's done in the market. So I'm sure it's gonna get a lot of interest. A lot of people are gonna want them. Make sure you pick them up for your locality. So overall design for the front and the sides look really, really good. The rear design also has some really cool updates on it as well that kind of match with the rear bumper design, which you'll probably see in this video kind of overlaid. And just overall, we wanted to come back out into the Cybertruck world with a fresh take on the original Razorback. So again, this is the Razorback V2, available now on our Shopify. You can purchase that in many different finishes. Satin's probably going to be the most popular. Go ahead and check us out, sscamerica.com. You'll see our shop store link there, and you can find pretty much everything that you see here and many other designs that we have to offer. Stay tuned for all the future stuff we got going on. We got some really cool things happening. But for now, pick up one of these for your bad boy today. Again, check us out on our Shopify, and make sure to always drop some kind words, like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you like about this truck, what you don't like, and also what design you would love to see coming down the line in the future. We'd love taking polls from people and seeing what they would want us to create for future stuff. So again, thanks for your time. Like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.